I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today I'm going to make something that's really simple. It's a nice side dish. It's also nice as a topping on ice cream, believe it or not. I think probably most regions have something like this, but I'm doing PA Dutch fried apples. I like serving this a lot as a side dish along with like a pork tenderloin or something like that. And I've even done them in the Dutch oven along with my pork tenderloin when I've been doing them. But they're good with really good with any kind of pork and even some chicken. But they're also good as a dessert topping. Now there's another PA Dutch fried apple recipe, and those are actually fried apple rings that are batter dipped, and I'll do them another day. Those are also really yummy. But I'll do them another day. I just want to do these up. I have some apples I want to use up, and the leftover, if you have leftover, is great to jar and use as a pie filling later. So let's get to it. Now you want 6 fairly large tart apples. I have the ones on the right there just to show, but the ones that are ready to go are in my bowl on the left. 3/4 cup of sugar, around 4 tablespoons of butter, and a couple tablespoons of bacon fat, and 1/4 cup of water. And as always, the recipe is in the description below, as it is in all my videos. First thing I'm going to do is add my bacon fat that I already had melted, and my butter. All melted. Add the apple, sugar, and the water, and add just a touch of lemon juice. I'm going to add one other little ingredient most people don't. A little bit of rum. Now I'm going to get a lid and cover this so we can steam these apples down. I put my cover on, and we're going to cook these on high heat around 6 minutes, which is going to help steam the apples, make them tender. And then I'm going to remove the top and continue frying them until they're more transparent looking. And then the syrup's going to form. It'll maybe want to try and gel as they get more done, and that's how you know you're pretty well done. And then when I get done, I'm going to pour them in a serving dish, and then you put a couple pats of butter on top and make it even better. Okay, it's been 6 minutes. I'm going to reduce my heat down to a medium heat, and we're going to let these simmer down so they get nice and translucent. They're about halfway cooked through now. But see, we also want that syrup that they're in to thicken down. So this is a twofer. And we're just going to let that simmer down some more on a medium heat. We're almost there. And you can see how they've changed color and they're getting more translucent. And this is thickening down, getting more syrupy. And another note, I leave the skins on because that gives a lot of flavor to these apples and nutrients that you don't want to lose. So we're almost there. And I think we're there. Now, see when I pull away how that kind of gels a little bit? That's what you're looking for. You don't want it to be solid, but when you pull the spoon away, you see how it doesn't fill in right away because it's trying to gel a little bit? That's what you want. And your apples are translucent. So I'm going to transfer this to a bowl, and we're going to top with butter, and you know what comes next. dot with the butter. Let that soak in a little minute, and then we're going to give it a taste. And here's how we eat them as dessert. Fried apples over vanilla ice cream. You see the caramelization and that syrup goes over the ice cream so nice. You know what comes next. You know what comes next. Time for the taste test. Oh, look at that. Look at how nice that is. But like I said, I actually like this as a side dish with pork dishes a lot. So get some ice cream. Get some apple, that caramelization. It's almost like caramel apple. Oh my God. Sure, like crustless apple pie. Amped. So good. And you get a hint of saltiness from the bacon fat, which is really nice against the ice cream. So if you've never tried the PA Dutch apples, fried apples this way, you gotta. It's easy and they go so nice with so many things. And like I said, you can keep the excess and turn them into an apple pie later. Use it as pie filling. So there you go, PA Dutch fried apples.